Hello people! Today we will look about what to do when your Google Play services keep stopping. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So let's not waste our time for it. Let's go! If your Google Play services has stopped, then don't worry. We have listed some solutions, but before moving to the solution, let us know the reason behind it. Basically, it can occur due to poor network, the application is not updated. There may be some other reasons also, but they are exception. Now coming to the solutions. Method 1. Restarting your device. This sounds a little weird, but this method can give you a solution many times for your different problems. Keep pressing the power button till you get the option shutting it off or the restart. Method 2. Updating your application. For this, open the Play Store app. And after this, click on your profile menu and click on Manage App and Devices. In this, you will find an option of updates and all your unupdated apps are listed. Tap on the apps and update them. Method 3. Switching cellular data to Wi-Fi. Due to poor connection, everyone has faced problems while using different apps. The same thing happened to our Google Play Store services. Also, if you are not connected with a good network, you will suffer from issues. From the notification shortcut bars, click on the Wi-Fi. Method 4. Changing the time and the dates. For this, click on the settings of your phone. In this, you will find the option of system management. And here you can find the option of date and time. Click on it and set time according. Method 5. Keeping cache and data clear. For this, open the settings of your phone and then you can find an option of applications and permission. Click on it and tap the app manager. After this, you will find all your apps and then click on the Google Play services. After this, in internal storage, clear data and clear cache. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.